Hi guys, a bit of a teaser this one I suppose. It won't be a full video. I think I've shown you a video of me printing this 3D boat. It's got a jet pack on it, water jet, that I bought on eBay. I actually bought a pair of them. This is really just a test bed to see if I can get it working. It has a little nipple on the side of the jet there, so that the water for the cooling gets, well, effectively sucked through. I've got a little nipple on the front there. You just see it underneath there. Oh, come on, focus. What's your problem? Right, yeah. Little nipple underneath there, or a little vent to allow the water in. That's sealed into the bottom of the boat. Pipe goes onto that, round the motor, out the back there, and because the water's shooting out on the jet, that encourages, I don't want to use the word suck because that isn't quite right. It reduces the pressure there, so you've got increased pressure there, reduced pressure there, so the water is siphoned through. So, this isn't ready to use yet. I haven't actually fitted up a servo to do the steering. So this is just a flotation test and to see if we actually get water flowing through the coolant. And I can just see a bubble going through there. It's also a test for that little ESC. It's only a little ESC. That's quite a big motor, but we are only running it on a 2S battery. That's 2 lithium-ion batteries that I've taken out of an old laptop battery, arranged in series, so it's a 2S with a balance lead on it and a little JST connector on it. So that looks like it'll work. I wasn't sure, but yeah, looks like it might work. So I might put a bit of foam in there because I still think it will sink if it actually goes underwater, even though I've built this area at the front here, enclosure, that will trap air in there. I still don't think it will actually float if it fills with water. So I might pack a bit of foam in there. And I've got to rig up a little bracket here for the servo to sit on. So that's a bit of an update as to where we are on this. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.